flash bun fibro session part jing tip nam tai khwar Laitkam kumba khalar tali ki post lecturer hapo Rongjang Model Degree College Rongjang din pli kat kum kene ka advertisement principal Rongjang Model Degree College Rongjang under government authority date 25 July invite eligible candidate for a walk-in interview kadai direct walk interview for the post of lecturer at Rongjang Model Degree College Rongjang under wages dagador sni kan ai for a period of 3 months long live nai as per detail mentioned below. The lecturer in English artly, lecturer in Khasi artly post, lecturer in Garo artly post, lecturer in economic artly post, lecturer in political science artly, lecturer in history artly post. Te kata wages kalong by as per government notification te katno shisngi kata tibre June 24 of the Department of Labor, Employment and Skill Development of Meghalaya te katno shisngi kata tibre essential qualification bade net or SLED set or PhD degree awarded in accordance with University Grant Commission. The clearing of net SLED set shall not be required for candidate such discipline for which net SLED has not been conducted. Okay. That net or SLED or set of biang that dep or biang should not be required for candidate. A minimum of 55% marks or equivalent grade in a point scale wherever a grading system is followed. A relaxation of 5% shall be allowed for the bachelor as well as at the master level for the candidate belonging to SC, ST, and OBC. Kavinu would be office of the principal of William Nagar Government College, William Nagar, Kajaka Kadevi William Nagar. Date of interview kan day 3 August, Katway Baji Hadu Sau Baji Janmit. Candidate arriving after 4 p.m. will not be entertained. Candidates are requested to bring along the duly filled standard form along with 2 self-attested passport size photograph, self-attested copies of certificate, mark sheet, extra on the day of work interview at William Nagar Government College, William Nagar. Take itu ki buka one let tab nam tagani ki post second ma one let kada bi ka work interview kan day 3 August but kador kan ada kador sni kalau mandai sanspane kalau mandai syajar ne ya kata antipra tapi siapa page ya kata government notification tu apa mi archar arpline thank you ni jing bedip flesh bun